What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to give you 5 ways to make money without leaving your home. Now, a lot of people want to know how to make money online, how to create an actual income, a full-time income, without leaving their house. Laying in their bed while they sleep, and that's great. Today I'm going to give you 5 ways you can make money without leaving your house. Now, all 5 of these ways are actually pretty easy to get into. Okay, so let's start off with number 1. The first way you can make money is actually through doing freelance work. And my favorite site to go to, not only to find freelance work, but also to hire freelancers, is called Upwork.com. You can see it right here. Upwork is a great platform. It's been around for a little while. It used to be called Elance, and it partnered with some other one, but doing any type of freelance work is a great business. You can write articles, you can do web design, you can do just simple writing, emails, marketing letters, resumes. The list seriously goes on and on. This is a great way to make some money. Now, Upwork is just one of the platforms I use. You can also go to freelancer.com. You can go to different forums. You can find so much work as a freelancer, and that's one of the reasons why I highly recommend it to anybody. No matter what your skill level is, you can start as a freelancer. Start with basic article writing and build from there. The second way you can make money by working from home is selling stuff on eBay. You can see here, that's actually what I did this morning. Is I package up a few items to ship off for eBay. Now, I don't make millions of dollars on eBay. I make a little bit over $100,000 a year selling on eBay. And the best part about that is I do this part-time. So eBay is a great platform. You can see it right here. You've probably heard of eBay. You've probably sold stuff here before or purchased items here before. I highly recommend it because anybody can do it. You start off with some basic items. Maybe you have an old cell phone you're not using. I highly recommend you list it for sale. There's so many options, okay? Cell phones, used electronics, toys, it doesn't matter what it is you have. I guarantee you can sell it somewhere to somebody for a decent amount of money. Another way that you can make money without leaving your home is doing affiliate marketing on YouTube. I actually have a course on this. I'll put a link down in the description box below. You can get it for $47 off, okay? So you can go check it out. But that course, to learn affiliate marketing on YouTube, it's basic. It shows you the basics. It shows you exactly the videos you need to create, how to create them, how you can get affiliate links to start making some money here on YouTube. Let me show you this, okay? Because this is something that most people don't completely understand is, well, I don't know how to make videos. I don't know how to, make money on YouTube, or what's an affiliate link. I don't know that stuff. That's what I teach in my course. But look at this. Best pumpkin spice recipes. There we go. Okay. So, we're in August right now, so pumpkin spice isn't probably the biggest thing people are looking at. But if I just typed in best pumpkin spice recipes, and here we go. We got this best pumpkin pie ever, classic Thanksgiving pumpkin pie, old-fashioned pumpkin pie, how to make the best homemade pumpkin spice latte, okay? These are just things people are searching for. And if you have a recipe, you know how to do it, you can actually do these videos. Do a simple how-to style video. Exactly what I'm doing here. Just talking to the camera, showing you stuff on the computer, very basic stuff. But once you understand how to do it just once, you can replicate this over and over again to start making more money just on different topics. So if you want to get the course, I highly recommend it. Again, it's $47 off. Use the link down in the description box below, and you can get it for 20 bucks today. The fourth way to make money without leaving your home is actually through selling courses, online digital courses. You can create this course using your cell phone, using a webcam, using an actual DSLR camera, whatever you have, you can use. But let me show you this, okay? Because you're probably thinking, well, how do I create a course? I don't know anything about marketing or sales or making money online. Well, you don't need to. Look at this right here. Okay, let's do Italian cooking. Okay, Italian cooking. Let's see, is there going to be a course on Italian cooking? Cooking Italian for beginners. Okay, $11.99 right now. There's a sale on Udemy. You can buy any course for $11.99. Okay, great. But it normally sells for $30 and there's 52 ratings. So even at $30, 50 sales of that, okay, you can do the math. That's still good money for teaching Italian cooking for beginners. Basic Italian cooking skills. Normally sells for $150, 27 ratings, $150 times 27. What is that? Okay, it's good money. That's what it is. Okay, simple Sicilian cooking with Nonna Grace. I think that's her name, Nonna Grace maybe, whatever it is. Okay, so you can see right here, this is just Italian cooking. Maybe you don't know how to teach Italian cooking. Maybe you have coffee recipes. Okay, I have no idea. Let's look and see. There are people selling coffee recipes. How to make a different, healthy, perfect cup of coffee. No rating. Okay, coffee cred. Become a coffee connoisseur in 30 minutes. Okay, 18 ratings. Normally sells for $20. There's 30 minutes worth of video for beginners. Okay, I bet you can make some money selling online courses. Just depends on what it is you know. Okay, maybe you know how to make money online. Maybe you are scuba diving. Okay, let's see. Is anything on scuba diving? I bet there is. Scuba Explorer course. Okay, it's the highest rated course. Deaf Scuba Explorer instruction manual. Okay, normally sells $200, 13 ratings. Doesn't matter what it is, you know how to do. I guarantee you there is something that you are good at that you can teach other people. So why don't you? And the fifth way to make money without leaving your home is becoming an Instagram influencer. Now, you can see right here, this is my page. I do not post on it very often, but this is my page. Let me show you something right here. Okay, let's go to Hawaii travel. Okay, let's just type in Hawaii travel, go down here to the different hashtags. Let's just see, are people actually making money doing this? So I can tell you, yes, they are, 100%. I know they are. Okay, I have a few accounts that I'm making some money on, and it's easy. This one's called Adventure Hawaii. Let's click on that. Okay, sharing the essence of aloha. Tag Adventure Hawaii to be featured. Okay, they got all their different, posts here. Great. Now that's wonderful. Now is that person probably making money on that? Probably not, because you want to become an Instagram influencer, which means you need to sell shout outs. So here's how you do it. First thing you need at least over 1,000 followers on Instagram. Once you have 1,000 followers, it will be easier to grow. When you have less than 1,000 followers, a lot of people are not eager to follow you just yet. So that is why you need to actually put in some work, put in some effort, and start growing your Instagram profile. Okay, so let's say we're on, let's click on this person. Okay, here we go. So right here it says Ashley Pimentel, fashion, travel, let's collab. There she is. Okay, she has her website right here. My guess is people or companies will pay her to review their hotel if she's doing travel or fashion. Maybe she's doing both. So maybe she will do a little bit of fashion here and talk about what this actual skirt is. Okay, wearing those extensions, cool. Okay, I guarantee you somebody paid her to do this. Somebody paid her to review these hair extensions. That's my guess. Okay, and because of that, let's say she got paid $100 or $250 just to do this post with the hair extensions. Pretty simple, right? And all she has is 26,000 followers. But she started growing. She started with 0. Everyone starts with 0 followers. They go to 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, up to 26.3 thousand followers right now. And simply because she knew what she wanted, she knew what she was doing. She wanted to become an Instagram influencer. And so because of that, she can now make money from home or from anywhere in the world simply by picking up her phone, posting something, and making some money. It's that simple. So the last thing I just want to say is anybody can make money from home, without leaving their home, without leaving their bed, but you have to have a plan. Okay? I just showed you 5 ways to make money online without leaving your home. All you gotta do is pick one. Pick one and decide to make that your only focus. Focus on that one thing, whether it's a freelance designer, freelance writer, you're gonna sell stuff on eBay, you're gonna become a YouTuber. Okay? Maybe you're gonna become an Instagram influencer, or you're gonna do online courses. It doesn't matter. Just pick one and run with it, because I guarantee you, the more effort you put into it, the more time you put into it, the more devotion you have towards that one thing, the more money you're going to be able to make. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.